Haha, now we can finally start our well-deserved vacation.
Yes, finally. I've spent all my savings on this trip. Do you think they'll serve us snacks soon?
I'm more worried if this plane will ever leave the ground.
Ladies and gentlemen, we regret to inform you. A ball of recollect verflanzeld airbus lefusle kunifiokens.
This is unbelievable. I was ready for this vacation.
I'm starting to lose my patience. Are we even on the right plane?
Oh no, we're on the wrong plane. I'm so sorry. Just get out of here, what a shame.
What a pity. We missed the flight.